If you're visiting Paris and want a scenic, relaxing experience that's both affordable and delicious, you need to try the Seine River Cruise with Crêpes tasting. We booked this combo through GetYourGuide, and in this video, I'm giving you our full review and what to expect. The cruise departs from right near the Eiffel Tower, and the process to get on was smooth and simple. We showed our mobile ticket and boarded the boat just a few steps away from the water. The cruise lasts about an hour, and it's a loop along the Seine River, passing through some of the most iconic landmarks in Paris. You'll see the Eiffel Tower, the Louvre Museum, Notre-Dame Cathedral, Conciergerie, and Musée d'Orsay. There's audio commentary available so you know what you're looking at as you cruise along. You can either sit indoors or go up to the open air upper deck for those beautiful panoramic views. Of course, that's what I did. Now let's talk about the best part, which is the crepe tasting. You can choose to do this either before or after your cruise, and to get it, you simply head over to a nearby crepe stand. They will send you information about the actual location, and from there you can choose your crepes or any other option you want. My kids chose ice cream instead of crepes, and from the smiles on their faces, I think they liked it. I went with the classic jam crepe, and it was warm, soft, and delicious. They make it right in front of you, and it's really tasty. It's a quick treat, but I thought it was a nice bonus that added flavor to our experience of the river cruise. The combo cost us 155 Canadian dollars and 68 cents for 2 adults and 2 children. That's about 38 Canadian dollars and 92 cents per person. For the organization and the experience we got, I think it was worth it. Keep in mind that these are not skip the line tickets. They didn't have that option for this experience. We had to wait in line to get on the boat, but what I really love about this experience is the flexibility. The tickets are not timed, so you can show up at any time during their operating hours and get on the next available boat. It was relaxing, family friendly, and a great way to see the city without walking for miles. If you're visiting Paris on a budget or looking for something to do between sightseeing stops, this is one of the best value experiences out there. I highly recommend it if you're short on time but still wants that magical Paris feeling. Thanks for cruising along the Seine River with us today. You'll find the exact link to the Get Your Guide combo in the description box, along with more Paris tips and itinerary ideas. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments if you'll try this cruise or what your favorite Paris experience has been. Until next time, bon voyage!